My dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study lesson number 11 of grade 4 EVS, that is waste is wealth. If you want the other lessons, I have put it in the description box. You can refer from there. In this lesson, first part I have made, the next part I will upload soon. In the first part, there is a story. Here, I will explain you the story. One beautiful morning, a cricket came flying. What is cricket? Cricket is a insect. Okay, here is a picture of the cricket. You can see here a cricket came flying and sat on the dustbin. So that cricket insect will come and it will sit on the dustbin, and the dustbin began to tell about its difficulties to the cricket. Here is a conversation between a cricket and a dustbin. Okay, see here, cricket is flying and it is telling what a beautiful morning, and it comes and it will sit on the dustbin and it will ask, hey, what is your problem? It will ask its problem to the dustbin. So the dustbin is telling, I will tell you about my problems. Listen, people create me by putting all wastes. They feel bad to even see me. See what dustbin is telling? Dustbin is telling that people put all the wastes into me, and even if they will see the dustbin, they feel bad. And the waste which the people put, they are called domestic waste. Okay, then waste collected in the house is thrown into dustbin. See how they are throwing the waste. Here you can see people are throwing waste into the dustbin. So the cricket is telling, oh, it smells very bad, because in the dustbin we will put the waste, and in that waste it stings. There is a bad smell into it. So dustbin is telling, look here brother, what are all the things are there into my dustbin? There are peels of vegetables and fruits, there are tree leaves, there are crumbs of bread. They are decaying and causing bad smell. So the cricket is telling, hey, cockroaches are also here. See children, if the waste is there on that, cockroaches will also come. So the cricket is telling, see here, cockroaches are also came into the dustbin. What they are doing here? So the cockroaches are telling, we are very comfortable here. Look how my children are wandering here and they are happy. So the cockroach is telling, you can see here, my children are roaming here and there and they are also happy. So the dustbin is telling, brother, not only cockroaches but also rats are living here. Not only cockroaches will leave, but also rats will also come to the dustbin. So the waste contains tins, plastics, rubber also. They do not decay. See children, the peels of fruits and vegetables, dry leaves, crumbs of breads, all the waste will decay. But the plastic, rubber, tins, etc., which are there, they will not decay. It is better to give them to people who buy old things. Okay. Then the dustbin is telling, see the things which have been thrown. Useful things can be made out of these colorful bottles, tins and piece of paper. You can make the best use of this waste. So a model has been prepared out of waste materials by children. See children, there will be competition also in your schools of making the nice things by the waste things. So dustbin is telling, instead of throwing those things like bottles, tins and pieces of paper, we can use it also. So the cricket is telling, look there, a lorry is coming to take you. Children, you have seen, no, one big lorry will come to take all the wastes which are produced, right? Yes. So the lorry will come and lorry will take all the waste. So dustbin is telling, oh, I am clean now. Wastes also have to be collected and classified well. So keep your dustbin clean. Now cricket is asking, where do they take you? Where do the lorry will take the waste? So it is telling, waste is telling, they take me to the outskirt of the locality. They will take me to the outside of the city where I can decay and I can change into manure. And there are municipality workers, they have come with vehicles to collect waste from these dustbins. They remove the waste from the dustbin and keep the place clean and tidy. They carry the wastes to the outskirt of the city and they will dispose them. See the boards with the instruction showing the types of waste thrown to the dustbin. See children, the boards are there in that where we have to throw the waste. That is dry waste. Dry waste contains plastic, glass, pieces of metal, rags, rubbers, etc. So we have to give them to rag picker. They will sell it then. Wet waste is there, that is leftover food, kitchen waste, decaying food items, meat, vegetable waste, dry leaves, pieces of paper. All this we can convert into manure. What is manure? If we will put all this waste with some cow dung and with some grass, what it will do, it will decay, and that thing is called manure. That manure we can use again to the plants and they will grow well. Then hazardous waste are paint, insecticides, poisonous chemicals, broken tube lights, used batteries, expired medicines. So keep them in bag and put them in municipality bins for proper disposal. Then polluted waste. What are polluted waste? Used bandage, infected cotton, drip, syringes and used needles. Keep them in bags and put them in municipality bins for proper disposal. So that means all the waste will be disposed by separately. So next, see here, cricket is telling if this manure is used to grow the plant, it would be nice. So dustbin is telling yes, in villages I will put it in with the grass, means the waste will be put it in the grass, leaves and cow dung. Then they will convert me into the manure and they will use me to grow plants. Then what is this sound? The cricket is telling what is this sound? Oh, mosquitoes and houseflies have come. Hi friend, I am mosquito. I am housefly. See, apart from the cockroaches, mosquito and housefly will also come near the waste, right? Yes. So cricket is asking, why are you here? What are you doing here? So the mosquito is telling, water comes from the houses and it is collected in this pit. This place is suitable for us to lay eggs. And housefly is telling, if the people of this house had let this water flow to plant bed in the garden instead of leaving it to the stagnant water, we would not come here and we would not spread the diseases. So we should not allow the water to stand stagnant near our house. If the water will stand stagnant, they will allow the cockroaches and housefly to come near it and it can spread diseases to us. So waste is telling, they make the water stagnant, mosquitoes live and grow in the stagnant water. So we have to allow the water to flow into the garden or into the soak pit. So the cricket came flying forward and it says, oh, it is better to get away from this bad smell. And here comes the ant. Hey cricket, what are you worried about? So the cricket is telling, see the heap of wastage everywhere. How do you dispose them off? I am worried about it. So they are telling, there is no need to use so many plastic bags. Instead of throwing these plastic bags, it could have been used to bring things or to keep things. Peels of vegetables and fruits could have been disposed. Then disposed manure would have increased the soil fertility, and the tin which is there could be used instead of throwing it away. One could have earned money by selling the empty bottles, and it is the sheet of papers which are blank they could have returned. Otherwise, used sheet of paper and newspaper could have been given to the shops, and in that shops we can get the money also. So cricket is telling, I am happy now. Why cricket is happy? Because ant showed the ways of disposing the waste. So children, you should know, one should minimize requirement and we have to reduce waste. Many used things can be reused. This is called reusing. So decaying waste can be converted into compost that can be used to grow plants, and new things can be prepared from used plastic sheets, glass and paper, this is called recycling. Used water can be used again for the plants and drained into the soak pit. So the cricket is telling, I got answers to my questions. What should people do with the waste generated in their houses? How to make aware of it? I am going to the garden. Like this way the cricket will fly away. So children, I hope you understood what you have to do with the waste which you will be collected in your home. Okay, in the next video, in part 2, I will explain you the question and answers of this lesson. In this video only story is enough. If you want further lesson, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.